starred in the hit movie The Muppets, and this year
Matthew, give me a high five!
Ava,
settle. Matthew, where's Kermit? Where's the Froggy?
There he is.
Where's he? Wave to Kermit. Say hi. Can you guys say hi? Good job. Say hi, Kermit.
Hi, Kermit. What you said to say hi, Kermit.
Hi, Kermit. Hi, Kermit.
Hi, Kermit. Kermit.
You love him.
Hi.
He's so silly.
I don't think they're gonna win the game. Who's that?
She's a singer.
What? Who is she?